Good day, kings and queens. I'm back in the craft room with another Dollar Tree DIY. My name is Erica. You're going to need some type of wood container. They have different kinds. This one I picked up a crown. All of these items you can pick up at the Dollar Tree. You're going to need some type of paint. This one we're using today is called Rose Art. It's like a pastel pink, and it's an acrylic paint. You're going to need some type of brush. Now these brushes come in like a pack of 5 or 6. We're using this one. You're going to need some type of gems. Now some of these they don't carry at the Dollar Tree, some they do. The ones we're using today, they carry at the Dollar Tree. So the ones we're using today are these, and they're the bigger ones. Okay. Now you're also going to need something to pick up these little gems with to make your project, more polished. So you could pick up some tweezers at the Dollar Tree, but I'm using this tool I picked up on Amazon. It's called a pick me up stick. It just helps you pick it up a lot easier and keep your project clean, but use the tweezers if you don't have that. Now this is a step some people forget. This is going to help your paint stick a lot easier for a longer lasting effect. Get you some rubbing alcohol and rub it on the surface before you start adhering the paint. All right, let's jump right into it. You'll also need a glue gun and a glue stick. My first coat on. I'm going to leave this to dry for about an hour, and then I'm going to come back in with a second coat, and then I'm going to leave that to dry. You'll see me in a few seconds, but it'll be an hour later and I'll be right back. Okay, it's dry. Now to get the clumps out, as you see, it was clumpy because this is This paint I had for a while. You just add a little bit of water, and it's not as clumpy as the first batch. Just a little bit, because it still needs to adhere. Now, if it's super clumpy, you can add a little bit of alcohol and just give it a good shake. Okay, so kings and queens, this is how it turned out. I love it. It's pink and it has the glam on it. It's so pink. My favorite color. I absolutely love it. So it's so many things you can do with this. I'm going to just show you a few things. It rocks back and forth too. I thought that was like so cute. You could take your pens and pencils and just have them in there, you know. But what I'm going to do with it, I have it because I need something to organize. I like organization, and this here, kings and queens, is just all my jewels just thrown in here, and I need to organize them like the blingy glitter pieces for my crafts. They're going to be the only ones sitting in here. So I said, hey, let the crowns, the glitter, so the you know, the pieces won't become messed up. The fine pieces, they're going to be sitting in here. So like the rhinestones and stuff like that won't come off. This will be the designated area for those. So I'll just go through these and make sure I put them all in here. And that's what I'm using it for. Have a beautiful day, kings and queens. Please give this video a thumbs up, share it to your family and friends, and subscribe and tap the notification bell twice so you can see when I upload more videos like this. Have a great day and a great evening.